Hi everyone, welcome to my Physics Thinkers channel. In my channel, I have started a APECET full course for diploma students, those who are writing in 2025 year of exam. My videos are available Tuesday at 5 p.m. Another video will be available on Thursday at 5 p.m. and another video will be available on the weekend of Saturday. The time is exactly at 5 p.m. Students, here my important note to my subscriber and APE set 2025 examination preparing students. I refer to some model papers to give complete basics to Triple E branch students. Utilize my Physics Thinker channel for reference and revision purpose only, students, especially for my Triple E students, those who are appearing for this exam. As well as the two videos completed, my topic is basic electrical engineering. Let's move on to the eighth bit. The elements which are not capable of delivering energy on its own is known as. The answer is passive elements. Passive elements store or release energy but not generate it. The best examples are resistor, inductor and capacitor are best example. Next, move on to the ninth question. A network having one or more than one source of EMF is known as. The answer is we know that active network. It capable of delivering power to some external device. We can get the best examples are batteries, generators, etc. are the best examples of active elements. Active elements those give deliver energy. 10th question. Passive network has. The answer is neither current source or EMF source. Actually, passive elements are capable of only receiving the power. The best examples are inductor and capacitor. They will store the energy up to the mark and the level to the best of passive elements. That was the passive elements and active elements we are refer from the model paper, students. Next, moving on to the last question, 11th question. Kirchhoff laws are valid for, it is a very important for basics. They are both linear circuits and non-linear circuits. They are based on fundamental principles of charge and energy conservation, which are independent of the linearity of the circuit elements. That was the basics for basic electrical engineering. Thank you for watching my channel. Hope you like this my videos. You can check my previous videos Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday. Click the notification bell to get more updates about the APECET model papers. I referred from some model papers to get the basic for the students those who are appearing for APECET exam, the Triple branch students. Triple branch students, share and subscribe to my Physics Thinkers channel. My channel will be very useful for the students, not only APE set students and also for the Triple students. Have a nice day, students. Bye.